drive back. There we go. Yes! Yes! We are taking Project Ford Fairmont to the transmission shop today, and this is, well, hey, you know what? This is your first time to my channel. My name's Grant Tommy. This is Straight Six Fan, your home for offbeat hot rodding, and yeah, it's time to take this old gal to the transmission shop, and I'm lucky enough that I only have about like a 16 mile trek to make, and I can take a route that requires me not to go any faster than 50 miles an hour, so that's great, since I only have first and second gear. So anyway, kind of excited about this shop actually. After talking to them, after looking at their website, the reviews, everything, it seems like it's going to be the right place to take it. Here on 2 days later, waiting for the car to get wrapped up. Tim's just taking it off the lift, putting in fluid, getting it topped off with fluid, you know, bringing the car up to temp. You might be able to hear it in the background actually, but when I dropped it off, how I knew like the Fairmont was definitely in good hands was when I spotted this 71 to 73 Mustang Mach 1 behind me. So let's go check that out. Okay, so as we pull out of the parking lot here at Edgar's Transmission, I gotta say, I'm nothing short of completely satisfied. Just a great outfit, just common knowledge, courtesy, like every step of the way. Even from the moment the phone was answered, when I made the first phone call, like just completely helpful. Tim definitely knows his stuff. He's a Ford guy, actually has his own drag race, like Mach 1 or Boss, I don't know. Anyway, you guys just saw the picture of the picture. So, but man, it's and he got me out the door for under I had $350 left to spend to not bust the budget, and here we are. So we got, hold on, drive back. There we go. Yes! Yes! This is awesome. Anyway, Edgar's Transmission, just outside of Bonner Springs, Kansas. If you're in the area, look them up. Now comes the part, though, where I gotta say, good news, bad news. Good news, I got drive back. Bad news is, I had diagnosed the problem right the whole time. It turns out it was the vacuum control modulator. It just so happened I must have bought junk at O'Reilly's. So that stinks. That stinks a lot. And you know, when I replaced the transmission pan gasket, unbeknownst to me, I guess rubber, so according to Tim, less desirable than the cork gasket. And you know, when I replaced the transmission pan gasket, I still had a leak. So I paid him to do that. So I got to do it once is enough for me. But so I equate it to, in college, I had like a physics class where their idea was, hey, let's get the students to try to do the math problems first, and then we'll teach them how to do it. That's what this felt like. I tried my hardest. I diagnosed the problem the right way, but I didn't succeed, and that's okay. I guess it's learning through failure, you know. Like, while it's kind of reassuring to know that, hey, you got it right, I still doesn't bother me to have paid Tim to get it done right. So, all right, so for the first time in almost 3 years, I can justify filling the gas tank 100% of the way up on the car. And this Suburban behind me, not a fan of me not trying to drive over this giant curb here. Yeah, man. So there are still some hanging chads, some little things left to do. Headlights don't, they flicker on and off, so I must have a bad ground somewhere. So I'll get that fixed. I need to paint the rear wheels the rest of the way, the second coat. What else? Tune-up, I think there's still some room for improvement on the tune-up. And then, shoot, it seems like there's one other thing. Oh, an alignment. This car needs an alignment. But as far as I'm concerned, Project Low Fairmont is done, and I'm just so excited to be able to now drive it, like, to work. Though one day a week ago in now. But hey, hope you guys have enjoyed this series. It's not over for good. I do want to do some collaborations with this now, but over here I will leave some other videos from the build, the history of the build, if you want to get caught up on that. But otherwise, to all my 6 fans out there, thanks for watching.